Today, we're taking a look at a DSLR that changed the game for many beginners back in the day, the Canon EOS 400D, also known as the Rebel XT. Design and handling. The 400D features a compact and lightweight polycarbonate body, making it a comfortable choice for long shoots. It's a good size for small to medium hands, and the rubber grip feels solid. Image quality. The 400D still delivers sharp, detailed images in good lighting conditions. Colors are natural, and dynamic range is decent for its time. However, low-light performance is weak by today's standards. Noise becomes noticeable above ISO 800. Video capability. The 400D does not support video recording, which might be a deal-breaker for some in the current hybrid shooting era. This camera is strictly for photography. Battery. The battery life is acceptable but not amazing by modern standards. And since it uses compact flash cards, you might need to hunt one down if you don't already own one. They're less common now. Overall, if you're a beginner photographer looking to learn the basics of manual shooting, the Canon 400D is still a great, affordable entry point, especially if you find a used body with a good lens. Thank you so much.